Hello everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. Today we are going to be making easy yet delicious egg bread recipe. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Here I'm going to share the most easy, delicious and tasty recipes. For this egg bread recipe, you can use any regular bread. Cut the middle part of the bread pieces. And keep them aside. Take 2 eggs, salt as your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili, 1 chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Now mix it well. You need to cook this recipe on a medium-low heat. Add some oil in a fry pan. Now add the bread. Now pour the egg mixture, middle of the bread. Press the bread sides, otherwise the mixture will spread. Keep the egg if you want. Or just get rid of it. Pour some more mixture if you need. Now cook until the lower side is done. You can cover it with the lid. Now flip it carefully and cook until the other side is done. The delicious egg bread is ready to serve. Try this recipe and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching.